today, Maya's gonna put this puzzle back together. It's a little bit tricky. Ma can do it. Keep falling down. Just keep falling down. I'll put that down then. Go there.
Wow, well done, Dallas. Wow. Oop. Wow. Champion.
And stay in this design like this.
Yes. How old, Dallas?
4 years old.
4 years old. This puzzle for 8 years old.
Yeah.
So, brilliant. Good
So I'm
job.
clever too.
You are clever.
Look, 8 years old, and look how many pieces there are.
200.
200.
Yes, 200 pieces. So Dallas brilliant. 200 pieces puzzle for 8 years old. Dallas
4
can.
years old.
Yes, Dallas can make it.
Now I want to tell you about all of these dinosaurs. This is a T-Rex. This is a Dimentrodon. And this is Triceratops. There's 2 raptors. Ankylosaurus, raptor, another raptor. Pterodactyl.
How about this? What's the name?
Brontosaurus.
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 Good boy, Dallas.
And today we are making this easy puzzle. Let's get it open. There's not many. First we've got to flip them over. That's what I'm going to do with that puzzle.
Well done.
But there's one more
One missing. Where is that?
Not there.
Inside the box?
It's not inside the box.
Inside the box or somewhere else maybe? Well, anyway. Well done, Dallas. Good boy. You brilliant. Who is clever boy?
Me. Tops. A T-Rex. A Diplodocus. Triceratops. A Gigantodon. And look at these.
Tattoo.
They're tattoos. But you can't just open this. And if you want to get it, you just can't peel it off like that because it's not a sticker. So you dip these in water, and after that, just do it on the white thing really hard. After that, when it's wet on you, don't do this or it might come off. Just wait for a little hour and it will get dry so it can come off. If you do soap and water on it, it will come off. So,
Let's do it then.
alright then, yes do it, but watch.
Scissor first.
My one, this dinosaur and this dinosaur.
Alright.
And pink ones are little girls. Children can play with this, but don't lose these.
Hello.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello.
How are you, Daddy?
Good, thank you. Hello, Dallas.
Hello.
Oh, good stay to Daddy.
Mine know what's in that package.
Do you? Is it a puzzle?
Yeah.
Would you like to try and open it then?
Yeah.
Go on then, give it a go.